Good morning, all. This is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Wednesday, the 10th of December. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take somewhat of being learned from it, transfer it to your own charts, and I'm not here to issue trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ccmcrypto.substack.com, and it's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. All right, great. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Now, yesterday we had a little excitement in the afternoon. It doesn't really show up on the weekly charts. Barely made it on the daily charts, really, although we did manage to make it to the daily upper band yesterday. But the excitement was this little move up here. This actually does look significant because if you have a look at the overall setup of the flag here, and if you draw this in, hang on. All right, wait a second. Let's just draw this in here. This is a potential little level top, which can actually get us most of the way back to the flag target for as and when it breaks down, which would be a retest of this low here at 80.6. So that's looking pretty good. So looking at Solana, had a bit more excitement yesterday. Again, doesn't really show up on the weekly chart. Daily chart, we reached the daily upper band as well. Here, we of course, we still do have an RSI 14 buy signal fixed on Solana. But here, all the action was within the flag. We just had a sudden move up into the 145 area. This doesn't look like a double top. We will see how that goes. But I am wondering if we might make targets on these today because we've got FOMC today. That's going to be a market mover. Everyone's assuming there will be and the odds seem to strongly favour on the betting markets, a rate cut today. I'm wondering whether we'll get that, and I'm wondering what the response will be if we get that. We do have some nice looking short-term topping patterns and so on equities. I'm thinking we could see a sharp pullback, and that might get us the flags breaking down and the retest of these lows. We will see. All right, looking at Ethereum. Ethereum has been the strongest. Back up at the daily upper band and 3SD upper band, and actually testing the 50 DMA here at 33.30, more or less exactly on that at the moment. If we can get back above that, we've got the 200 DMA at 35.51. This has been the strongest, and we saw a strong move up yesterday, but where did it go? Exactly to my flag resistance trend line. So far, is there an argument that this is breaking up? Not really. I mean, if we broke up from here, made it up to the possible IHS neckline in the 36.50 area, and then pulled back a bit, then yeah, you could have an argument that there's an IHS forming that could take us back a long way up. But at the moment, this still looks like a bear flag, and all we've got is we've turned a 2-touch trend line into a 3-touch trend line. We will see how that develops. Doesn't mean it isn't going to break up, but it means that at the moment we're not seeing any significant sign of that. And so it's not something I'm currently concerned about. We shall see. All right, great. In that case, I think that's a wrap. Everyone take care, and I will catch everyone tomorrow morning.